Hey, have you ever wanted more Google reviews to get your business found better locally? We're going to go through real quick here how to do that with GoHighLevel and ChatGPT to help automate some of those things. So when you get done with your service, you can send it over to your customer right away, and then it follows up with asking again if they don't click on the link and so forth. So let's dive right in. So the first thing we're going to go through here is we have an opportunity. So this is in GoHighLevel. We're using a template here, just a generic. So say this is a customer, which is myself here. You will come in and you'll have their information. This will be handy later when you want to tag the customer after a job as a review request to create that workflow to go. Or if you drag and drop them, oh, you can't see it. If you drag and drop them to one, then it'll also trigger the workflow. So we'll jump in real quick here. Some of these workflows that we've created, automations. When you're in GoHighLevel, you just come down the left-hand side here, click on automations, and you click create workflow, and we will jump into this one right here. That's in draft mode. And so we have created a trigger that we were just talking about. If somebody is marked as one, it will then create this workflow to go. It waits 1 hour, and then it sends a text message, then it sends an email request. It waits another day. If they open and they click on the link, the trigger, then it'll send an internal notification to us, which then notifies us to our email or our phone, and then it adds a tag so you don't keep asking that same customer in the future. It'll know that they've already been tagged as they've left a review for you, and then it removes them from the workflow. If they do not open that first review request you sent them through a text message or an email, then it times out and it waits a day, and it'll send a second reminder, waits another hour, and then it'll send a third reminder. That's how we have set up here. You can change any of these workflows and triggers and times differently. This is just an example that we have here today. So the first thing we're going to do is we set that wait time to 1 hour. So that's there, a time delay. And then the text message here, we're going to show how to rewrite this. So using ChatGPT, we're going to take this generic information that we have here, come back over to ChatGPT, and we're going to ask our board of advisors that we created in another video. So what we put in here is rewrite this SMS text message, make it personal, simple, and friendly, write it as from the owner, and here's what I have so far. So we're going to copy and paste what we have there and then ask it to rewrite that. We're going to see what it comes up with. This is asking the 7 board advisors that we have created in our custom ChatGPT here. That's going to give you another, this is what it's saying. It says, and then it's asking, do you want 3 variations? We'll say yes. So the first option is gratitude, second one's community and impact, third is light and friendly. So we can use all 4 of these for the different versions that we're sending. So the first text message, maybe we want to have it gratitude first, so we'll just grab that, copy, and then paste it here. Save that action. Email. We come and do the same type of thing. Right now this is what we have right now. We're just going to leave it for now. And then let's say the second text message reminder. Let's go back and let's grab the community impact. We're going to save that one, and then we'll come down and rewrite the third one here. Copy and pasting, and save that. So we have those 3 new ones that we created in ChatGPT. Then we are pretty much set up, and when you want this to go live, you would just publish it and hit save. We're going to save it as a draft still. We don't want to lose what we just created. We'll show kind of these different options here. I kind of went through it kind of fast, but if you want to see the internal notification, so that's going to send us here how that's set up. And then if we want to go back into, so it automatically will add a tag if they click on that link. All right, come on. So it's going to add a review request automatically if they clicked on the link, and then it'll remove them from this workflow so it doesn't keep asking the customer over and over for another review. And that's quick review automation that you can set up for your customers if they have an electrician business, a plumber business. For us doing web design, this has been huge for asking our customers to follow up after we build a website or do some type of help service. Maybe we help them with their hosting, something IT, design a logo for them, or just even setting up workflows and automations for their business and doing reputation management. We try to make sure as the customer is excited about the new website or the new automations we have set up, we ask them right afterwards with a text message, and that has helped us get a lot more reviews. If this is something that interests you, check out our comments below, leave a comment for us, give us a like on this video, and we'll keep creating content like this. Hopefully that was helpful for your business. Thank you.